Hello, my name is Laurie Hug and I'm here today to do a couple demos for you. I am new to the Whole Kit N Kaboodle. I started a couple months ago. You might have seen me as founder in our first event, and now we are going to do scrapping with my Gnomies. So exciting. Our first demo for the day will be Hello Spring Die Cuts. They are absolutely adorable. Andrea creates the most adorable projects ever. So let's get started on our first die cut here. If you can want to take it out of your bag. And again, our first demo will be on the Hello Spring Gnome Die Cuts. And the first that we will put together is a cute little guy with the blue hat. Now what I like to do is to take him out and sort of put with it being a die cut, I like to have the pieces all out and put together so I can adhere them in the correct order. And some of the pieces, if I will be inking them the same color, I like to put those together as well. And the first piece that I am going to work on will be the bottom of the mushroom. The inks that we will be using today are, of course, our chalking inks. And I am a new collector of the chalking inks. And I have used multiple inks through the years when I've been crafting, but I absolutely love these. They're not as strong, I guess, as vibrant as some of the others. It gives a really nice soft effect to the cardstock. But if you want to make it a deeper color, just keep applying a little bit of extra. All right, and then we're going to move on to the pink top of the mushroom. And I'm going to use the strawberry milkshake. And these little points here on the end are great for getting around some of the corners. Now I am actually going to go ahead and take the top part of the mushroom, and we are going to adhere that to the yellow piece. So then I'm going to go ahead and ink the grass, and I want to just do this a little bit lighter because the Field of Greens is a little bit of a darker ink, so I want this just a light touch on the top of this grass, but you can make it as dark as you would like. All right, now you don't have to ink these pieces if you do not want to, or if you don't have the inks. They look perfectly adorable without inking. So you don't have to if you don't want to, or if you don't have the inks. I always, in all of my projects, like with our cardstock, like the textured side up so you can see the texture. And now I am new also to the Nouveau markers, loving them. I actually bought some when I was down here the first time, and now I'm back I'm from Ohio, so now I'm back in Indiana again for the second crop, and I have purchased the rest of the Nouveau markers because when I was putting together some of the die cuts at home, I literally couldn't get enough of the glitters myself, so I came back and bought them all because I love them. So give it a quick shake here. And then I'm going to outline just some of the, as you can see here, there's little extending pieces that have been cut out in the die cut. So I'm going to accentuate those so you can see them a little bit better on the project. And there we have our first completed die cut. Is he not the cutest little guy? I love him. Okay, so I'm going to set him aside, and we're going to get out our next set of die cuts here. Okay, and again, quickly, I'm going to separate the pieces so I can put them on. All right, first we're going to put together the Hello Spring sign. I'm going to try and operate these tweezers here. Andrea makes these little guys look so easy to use, but I have been a hairdresser for 34 years and my fingers do not quite work the way they should anymore. They're a little bit on the crippled side from arthritis. So sometimes these little cute little guys are hard for me to use. And we're going to start on our last little fella here. I'm actually going to start on his beard, and we're going to use the cottonwood. All right, and then again, I am going to use the Silver Mist needle marker because this beard has the same cutout pieces as the last beard did. So we're just going to add this right here along the outside, just to accentuate it a little bit, because then the black on the cardstock helps it pop through even more with that silver shimmer coming through. All right, and next we're going to do the cute little boots. I'm going to go back to the mahogany. Make sure I have the right side to each boot. I don't know if any of you all have been gnome lovers or if you are just getting into them now like I am, but I am going to have me some gnomes in my garden this summer. And now we're back to the cute little nose and fingers. We're going to lightly do the nose just to give it a little bit of color. And the outside of the hands. I like this little hand. It looks like he's giving you a thumbs up. He likes how adorable you've made him. Okay, I'm going to use the pop dot because I like how it just pops them right off the page. And they have all different kinds of pop dots. These are the extra super sticky ones. And another absolutely adorable little fella. Let's put them all together here so you can see them all completed. And again, if you have any concerns about putting these together, they're super easy. As I said, they don't come with instructions, but the picture here that we send you is so super explanatory. All right, so I'm going to take these away and I'm going to show you the last projects that I did with the Spring Gnomes. We have this page kit, Fabulous Summer, and I have rearranged some of the die cuts and the whole spread so I could fit the spring gnomes on here. You can rearrange all of Andrea's spreads if you want to add on different die cuts, if you want to add different pictures or whatever. You can just do a nice flip here. So with the Fabulous Summer, I put together this spread. And see here, we use this little fella here, the birdie, the Hello Spring sign here. This page, we had the little birdie gnome and the hello sign here. I think they turned out absolutely adorable. And I think these are really cute that you get a pack of, I believe, 6 in this spread. And they're actually magnets. And then you can move them around wherever you want in any of the, wherever you apply your pictures. You can move the little magnets around. I just think they're so cute. So again, this is another way that you can use the die cuts on your spreads. We also have the photo play crafting with my Gnomies set scrapbook kit that goes perfectly with the gnomes. Here, they have some really cute gnomes in here, and the colors all, let me show you, match perfectly with this set as well. See, I'll set them right here so you can see. It matches really cute with this spread as well. So we have this spread, and again, the spread that we used that Andrea has designed. Whoops, backwards. I hope you've enjoyed the demo, and I will see you back here for the next one. I just love hanging with my Gnomies.
Yes, I love you both like no other.
And there's Gnome place like the Whole Kit N Kaboodle for all of your scrapbook shopping. Check out these products. We've recently found additional kits of these 5 amazing past class designs. You're going to smile widely when you see your awesome photos on this design. True happiness will be your memories on this Love and Joy 2-page spread. Get swept away and soar with Dumbo on this magical day Disney design. Happy moments are what make up the good stuff of life. So be sure to scrap them in these pages and celebrate your special day with these happy birthday pages. We are offering these 5 designs on our website this weekend for only $15.99. No coupon needed. Better hurry, because they'll go back to their original price on Monday.
And it wouldn't be a virtual event without some brand new designs. Check out the latest addition to our gnome craze. Let's honor the red, white, and blue with our Gnome for the Brave design. This patriotic page is just in time for your Memorial Day or July 4th photos. And showcase your homegrown garden with these adorable gardening gnomes. These are perfect for showcasing your flower and vegetable gardens. You'll be the life of the party with the new set of Gnome Die Cuts. This kit arrives with all of the pre-cut pieces for these adorable die cuts, shown here on your screen. P.S. They would work really great on your happy birthday 2-page design as well. And don't forget our Easter gnomes. If you missed out on the first set, we've added more inventory.
Even our Recipe of the Month Club has gotten in on the gnome action. This month's shipment includes this adorable gnome chef design, complete with a scrumptious recipe. Be sure to check out all of the details for Andrea's favorite product on our website, the Recipe of the Month Club. Everything is in stock and ready to ship to you. With the influx of orders from today, please allow up to 2 weeks for your shipment confirmation.
Now go shopping, and we'll prepare for the next contest.